Divide 928 by 8 in long division method. 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. So 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting, we get 4. So again we put down this 8 and it is 48. So 8 times 6 is 48. On subtracting we get 0. So 928 divided by 8 is 116. So this much for today and thanks for watching.